धुले धुले बोला बोला बरं निघाल
Great to get in that other car. Just does that. The weirdest thing.
Toma, mira.
Crazy sighting. Oh, DM on the road. यहीं रोको भैया, यहीं रोको. पकड़ भाई. This is
don't move.
At first glance, a young leopard might seem like an oversized house cat.
Don't move.
And in a way, that's exactly what it is. The problem is that its playful side can turn dangerous in the blink of an eye.
He's got my shirt.
वीडियो बनाओ.
बना रहा हूँ. बन रही है.
इस टाइप का आदमी गाड़ी हटा यार.
चलो.
गाड़ी अरे भैया आगे चल अरे यार जल्दी कर ना हर को उठ गेले ओके रे वर
This video was filmed in Sao Paulo. Apparently, this jaguar was just looking for a place to hide, so it wandered from house to house looking for shelter.
Sai daí, cara! Sai daí! Ei, vai! Ó, sai daí! Esconde aí a onça aí, ó! Esconde aí! Fecha a porta aí, ó!
What did they do? Bouncing the back tire.
Dad, drive faster, drive faster.
God, yeah, how's he running so fast? Bye, boy.
We're all good.
He popped it. He popped it, eh?
No, this isn't funny.
There's one behind us.
She's reversed. Jeepers, hey?
Can you hear it?
I can't see where I am.
Okay, I can see you can go straight.
त्यांनी 1 मिनिट पण नाही लावलं.
This big guy's roar could give a jet engine a run for its money. The homeowners wanted a room with a view, but they probably didn't expect the view to work both ways.
Like, I mean, oh my God.
The tiger caught up to its prey, but the hunt took a very unexpected turn. In the middle of the chase, both animals tumbled into a well. After spotting a tiger outside his front door, this man waited a couple of minutes before checking to see if it was gone. That was a mistake. Lions sometimes climb onto vehicles to get a better look around. This one, though, wanted to go out on patrol.
Back right. Here we go.
This bobcat got caught in a coyote trap. A man tried to free it, but the animal wanted nothing to do with the rescue.
Come on, kitty. Just leave him. Okay. Algo nakuja. All right, I'm sitting down here for a while. Okay.
Anh sốt chưa kết? Keep
Yes, daar het is sy agterste fucking wiper af.
What am I doing here?
It's coming, it's walking. Stop, it's got up. It's got up.
Has it?
Yeah, look, it's walking to us.
Oh my god. Do a video. Do a video.
I am. I'm
oh my
videoing
god, it
it.
looks like it's coming to us.
It's like she knows everyone's watching and is putting on a show.
What the hell do you do?
No, yeah,
No, it's not. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow.
What the hell?
Wow.
This female cheetah is named Malaika, which means angel in Swahili. She's famous for hopping onto the roofs of safari vehicles. This tourist mounted his camera on a stick to get a closer shot of the lion. The lion, however, decided it looked more like a snack. Luckily, the guide managed to chase it down and convince it to give the camera back.
अरे तू क्यों जा रहा है? वाओ। डॉगी।
Sometimes you'll see bullies picking on someone in an alley. You just don't expect them to look like this.
He's looking right at us. He's looking right at us.
Gosh, no wonder.
Where's he gonna go?
We gotta call the animal.
Where's he gonna go?
Come here. Come here.
Don't. It's
No.
locked.
Yes, 100% it's locked. Look up. Up.
In the tree.
In the tree. Fifi.
How did you happen to see that?
Oh my God, she's alive chasing us. Oh no.
Don't stop. Go faster. And the horse is going faster.
Come on. It's coming. It's coming. Come on.
Go, go, go.
Speed up.
Very naughty lion. Behind us.
Speed up!
Here, come on.
Quickly, go.
Most drivers worry about deer crossing the road. Mountain bikers have a whole different set of worries. I think it's time to hand this dog the title of King of the Jungle.
Stand or walk? Uh-oh. Stand or walk?
Walk you, please. Okay, turn off the cameras now. Concentrate.
Think an orange animal with black stripes can't hide that well? Take another look.
So cool. How cool.
There's no way you can beat an opponent like that, even if you're the fastest animal alive. There may be nothing more dangerous than a mother defending her young. Unfortunately for this hiker, he found that out the hard way.
Oh. Ah! No! Get the away! Ah! No. No.
She chased him for 6 long minutes before finally backing off.
Oh, damn it.
This woman stepped outside to unwind before bed, completely unaware that a leopard was already stalking her. but the predator underestimated its target.